Okay, everybody, welcome back to 260 Hotshot Adventures. It's a wet, rainy day. Moved a client's fifth wheel yesterday, called me today, wants his boat, so I'm getting his boat for him. Boat's only a 4-pin, got it hooked up to my 7-4. Got the, I guess it's the hydraulics. Got that hooked up. Not super familiar with boats. We got her pinned. I always carry my own pins there. I noticed that the boat wasn't all the way seated where it should be. The hook, I believe, should be up here more forward. This is nice and tight. I added my own strap down here. Lights look good. Tires are holding air. I did notice that this tire has a broken stud, so that's kind of concerning, so we'll watch our speed. All the lights are working. Prop is up. I also added off the back here, there's a hook, added some straps down to the trailer because I don't want the back of the boat bouncing up and down. That will not do me any favors, so I added a strap on both sides to keep it pulled forward and down. Got the Ryobi air compressor going at one low tire. Everything else looks good and secure. I didn't notice anything else wrong with the boat. Everything looks like it's highway ready. The guy said he has had it on the, it's a somewhat highway ready trailer. Everything overall looks good. Just want to give you a quick rundown on my first time towing a boat and basically the process of what I've seen online, making sure everything is secured. I made sure, as far as I know, the latch is locked here. Best I can tell. It's not a typical latch I'm used to working with. As far as I know, this is latched. Alright, just wanted to do a quick video of my process and the things I've checked on this boat. I don't know how heavy we're looking at here. Looks like about gross vehicle weight axles 9,000, max is 8. So it's a little bit heavy of a boat, not too bad. I mean, it is a tandem trailer, so this is our 6 lug. So this is usually not more than a 10K rated trailer anyway. Alright, everybody, I'm gonna let this finish up, do a quick once around one more time, and get this over to the guy. Thanks for joining.